Hi guys, we're at Lucas S Center, Toy Center. Come here. There are lots of Barbie toys, plushies. Of course, we need a teddy bear. There's more here too. We have toy cars. We also have this robot. There's more over here. Do you want to watch it? We have more gorgeous cars. Look at it shining. Oh. And also, we have other cars here. There's lots of car toys here. Which car do you like, guys? Let's come over here. This is my favorite area. The food section area. This is an example of my favorite toy. I like to cook. This is my favorite toy. What kind of food toy do you like? Comment down below. Kisha, do you like the ukulele? Kisha likes the ukulele. Nice. And here, there's guns. It says Pirate Series. Whoa, look at this. It's lots of guns, bullets, and also, I think this is a practice shooter. And also, we have these guns. 2 guns. Do you have this in your house? Guys, look. A sword and a shield. What is the use of the sword and the shield? I don't know. Comment down below if you know what do you do with the sword and the shield. Guys, do you love to build? Then, building blocks are the best toys for you. They're blocks you can use to build your favorite things. See? There's lots of pieces. There's also, if you have a gun, we have a water gun. Ooh. See? We also have lots of more things, toys in this area. Oh, it's so big. Wow. Look guys, more teddy bears. See? Do you love teddy bears? Then like the video. It's so cute. Do you think it's cute? Let's put it here. Wow, there's so many toys. We have a microphone. And a car toy. It's specifically construction car toys. See? The excavator things. And we also have airplanes, cars, trains, bus, and more. There's lots of vehicles in the world. Do you know lots of them too? Look guys, it's the ukulele Kisha had. It's like a guitar. La, 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 la. Oh, there's lots of toys here too. What is this?
It's so good.
I think it's golf. If you love golf, then we have some in Locus S Toy Center. The ball, the stick, the flag. Let's put it back slow. Let's look at that. Look, some drums. I cannot play this. It feels like oh, I cannot play the drums. Do you love playing the drums too? Ooh, we have chessboards up here. We have some pieces, number pieces, multiplication pieces. Then we have letters. Lots of stuff. Another chessboard. Look guys. If I'm correct, I think this is a word game. I don't know what it's called, but it's called Bird Game. It's written over here too. There's lots of toys here, guys. Balloons. There's lots of toys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down which toy you liked in my video. Bye!
Bye!